Good morning, everybody. Am I audible, man?
Yes, sir, audible.
So, what is the last one we were discussing? About projectiles, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will continue with that. Suppose you sometimes there are situations where you have to come across some numericals like this. This is a tower, a particle is projected at some angle, not horizontal. Okay, so we can say that this makes an angle theta with a, as usual, take the origin at the point of projection. So this is the point where you are taking. Okay, it will be convenient if you take, because particle moves downwards. It's better if you take upward also. There is no much loss in that. Okay, so here this is a t equals to 0. Somewhere it lands here. Say here he'll give you the height of the tower or some other parameter. Say it lands over here, for example. So then this has x is equal to r, y equals h. If you take upward, y equals to minus h, t equals to t. Okay, now you can see that same thing. You can use the, suppose you want to know the time of flight or trajectory equation. Delta y, now you can see ay is this side plus g only. Okay, and this is ux, and this is u cos theta. This is uy now. You can take in any way. This is upward. That's why negative. So here delta y is a final minus initial minus u sine theta g plus half gt square. Okay, so this is nothing but gt square minus 2u sine theta t minus 2h equals to 0. Agreed. If you solve for this, you will get t. This gives time of flight. Understood this? Clear? Similarly, if you take delta x ut plus half at square u cos theta t, there is no acceleration in the x direction. This is final x minus initial x. So thus you will get already, no, t is already known. Follow this? And usually what will be asked is this only. Now suppose if he asks the speed with which landing velocity. Find Vx so we can get velocity. This is Vx. This is the magnitude, this is the direction. Okay. You want speed. Okay, suppose you want to know the direction. Simple thing is, then tan alpha equals Vy by Vx, or tan alpha. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
As I know, the particle follows a parabolic path. Will you follow this or not?
Yes, sir.
I am just explaining you how to solve problem, different methods. And definitely you cannot do all problems immediately. It will take some time. Unless we finish this first year, almost you will be slow in learning because the problem is till 10th class we never did physics numericals to this depth, And these are not in simple formula substitution is not possible. You have to think, analyze, interpret. A small interpretation is wrong means entire problem goes wrong. That's what I advise you to keep that maths and chemistry aside for few days. At least because that is only theoretical part you are mugging up now. That mugging you can do anytime. Spend more time with physics. Whatever you feel tough, if you complete that first, then automatically you can learn others now. Now suppose easy ones you have completed, difficult ones you are leaving. What is the use in that? Final result will be not achieved, no?
Yes, sir.
So we should waste of time to study the easy subjects. Anyhow, we are leaving difficult. What is the use in that? And don't get panic if you get less marks. Already others sir, I told this. Slow learners, it will take some time, sir. Immediately they cannot pick up. It's only tribute. We can all are not same, no?
Yes, sir.
Each one is made unique. So you think about yourself slowly, you do, no problem. Next year you'll do. First year you get acquainted, go on doing this, your mind will be tuned. Second year you'll pick up very fast. Even Abdullah, Umar, they're not, they too struggle in the beginning. But only thing is they had that patience. Some people don't have patience. So people who have the patience, they'll be successful. Other they'll go because I am not conducting the exam. It's an all India exam, right? You have to race up with others. Only thing is I can explain all the concepts and give you work that is done throughout nation by all institutions. That is all institution assignments I am giving. You have to work them, get your doubts cleared. That's all. More than that, nothing anybody can do. No?
Done,
Even if
sir.
you hello,
Done.
hello.
1 minute.
Even if suppose you engage on separate teacher for teaching physics, again the same thing. You teach the concept, you have to do. No? So it's foolish thing. You to watch 100 videos also there's no use. You have to do. So this waste of time. YouTube on small issue they'll turn it. For example, kinematics 100 videos will be there each half an hour. 300 videos will be. How many you'll do? It calls almost 3,000 minutes they'll be taxing. Each half an hour or at least 50 videos you take 1500 minutes. And same thing again. Nothing new. At least they won't be any new much numericals also. So sit, watch, do your notes, observe your notes, just work out all the problems, get your doubts clear. That's it. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, sometimes in terms of height also you can get it. The same issue we can do in that way also. For that, what we should do? And you can use this. When it reaches this, do you agree with this or not? Clear? So you can get, this is u cos theta I cap mod of this if you take this speed at any height h when it reaches. Understood this? Clear?
Clear, sir.
See, this is the direction. Don't think that the ball will go inside. Okay? Got this?
Yes, sir.
And sometimes small mistakes like not taking proper sign will not give you the answer. Don't get worried about this. Those people who can struggle for first year will win the race, man. Others will be washed out. There is no second thought. Online classes will be there for the next 1 or 2 years. Yesterday in Andhra Pradesh, schools have opened, you know that now?
Yes, sir. Andhra Pradesh to open.
First day only 54 students and teachers got corona positive. Very first day. So again, second wave will start, they'll close. It's not possible. So don't dream of it. Remove that idea from your mind.
Sir, Vy square is equals to u
2gh minus we will get the value of Vy square 2gh minus u square sin square theta no sir.
Y minus?
Minus of minus u sin theta square.
Where? This one. This is positive, no? Minus whole square is how much? Positive. This goes over here. Correct or no?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Sir, in starting and in finals, the acceleration of same, sir. For Vy is equal to z.
Acceleration is gravity only, no? Why it will change?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Throughout motion, what is the only acceleration? Gravity only, no? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
So,
1 minute.
Hmm?
sir, after reaching the ground, Vy gravity is equals to normal force, no, sir. So, gravity is equal to zero. Acceleration is equal to zero, no, sir.
See, this is the instant when it hits only. Okay. After hitting, what happens and all, we'll see one chapter called collisions. Okay. Now we are only seeing the kinematics, means the factors related to motion. Okay. After hitting, that is all that is called dynamics. So force issues now we won't discuss. And there is no guarantee that the normal force will be balanced by gravity, no? Because the ball may bounce up also. In that case, normal force may be greater than mg, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Follow this or not?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Just a minute. Completed, sir.
Complete it. Now suppose they ask the equation of trajectory. That also you can get. So you are projecting at some angle. Say this is what we got u. You can take in any way x and y axis. Okay. The particle is at t equals to 0. At any instant of time, this has come down. Say this is x and this is y. So the coordinates of this is x comma y now. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You will just apply this. This is y minus 0 minus b square minus okay. Then after that, what you will do? There is no acceleration. Substitute this value of t. So this is an equation xy, no? This is how you have to approach problems. Clear? And regarding
Yes, sir.
speed, all the questions of physics will be like this only. There is no shortcuts. Okay. Only thing is, as
Okay,
you
sir.
go on doing many problems, that's what speed improvement assignment. That my notes, H.C. Verma will give you the concepts. After that, speed improvement. More you do, the more the better your speed. That's why I said no chemistry maximum half an hour, maths 50 minutes. Then only your speed will develop. So the problem is if you can't do, another child will do, man, he will get the seat. Why should he work out? There's an examination, that's all. Survival of the fittest. Who can do, they'll survive, that's all. Shall I turn this?
Sir,
Completed?
minus 2y will come now, sir.
Pardon?
Minus 2y will come, sir, in delta y.
Minus?
Minus 2y, sir, delta y, delta y.
Y man? Y minus 0, no? Final minus initial.
Yes, sir. Y minus, in the next step, sir, I am
In
saying.
next step.
GT square minus 2u sin theta minus 2y now, sir.
Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Finish?
Sir, why are we not taking the negative symbol, sir, in the second
This
t?
will be negative. If you take negative sign, t will be negative. This minus this, no? Definitely this 2u sin theta. This is more than this.
Yes,
Agreed?
yes, sir.
Then in the numerical, if you get negative, then one sign will be negative, remove that, that's all. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In the examination, you'll be giving numerical value, don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Tell.
instead of writing like x is equal to that so much long, we can write u cos theta into u sin theta plus under root of u square sin square theta plus 4g, 4g by na sir, divided by
Pardon?
g. We can cancel that 2 na sir by
Ah, you can
taking 2 common.
cancel. You can cancel, man.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
No, the analysis will be same even if you project a particle. With the vertically downward direction. Suppose this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. You project it at an angle theta. Okay. Same thing here. Ax is 0, Ay is plus g because I have taken y downward. Ux is this side, u cos theta, and uy will be u sin theta if you resolve. Am I right or not? Agreed. Now, as usual, if h is the height of the tower, so the particle reaches here, this is x is equal to r, this is at t equals to 0, x is 0, y is 0. Again, you can apply this. Okay. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Then you can use delta x. You'll get r. We found earlier now. This value. After that, your wish, you can use this also. V square minus u square equals 2a. Follow this. Then again you have then you have the velocity v bar is nothing but vx I cap. You want speed, agreed? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this page?
Minutes.
Shall I turn this? Boys?
1 minute.
The person who got that 74 definitely will be successful if it is sincere marks. The maths and chemistry anyhow will pick up later. That is not a big issue. Now you people will be feeling maths and chemistry easy compared to physics, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is not that much difficult. Just mugging up on formula substitution. So physics decides your rank. That's why be careful. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose we have a situation wherein this is height h. Okay, this is the, we can take x and y. So far we have taken downward, let us take upward. Okay. Everything is same. Suppose this is u1, this is theta 1. Okay, and another particle is thrown like this. Okay, and one particle is thrown like this. Say the time of flight for this is some t1. It reaches here now, and the time of flight for this, we'll take it as some t3. And the time of flight for this will take t2. Understood this? That means they reach these points. Clear or not? This is clear. Now suppose you have you know that already derived this, remember? Understood this? Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
You can see if understood this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this or not?
Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Shall I turn the page?
1 minute, sir. Sir,
Tell.
T2 moves in T2 moves with theta 2.
Hmm?
T2
Ah,
moves with angle theta 2, sir. In the
time
diagram
upload. Ah, this is T2.
with theta 2, na, sir.
Yes, yes.
Then T3, sir.
No, no, here I have taken if. Read this.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay.
Shall I turn this?
Wait, sir.
Finished? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Just a
sir.
minute, sir. Completed, sir.
So you got one equation. Similarly, another equation, find T1 now. Similarly, you have okay. Then you have for the third particle, you have agree. Now you can see if you're having u1 sine theta 1 equals u2 sine theta 2. Okay, then you can, this is T3. Then if you substitute these values, you will have T square is T1, T2, or T equals, this already in vertical motion, you studied this. If a particle is dropped, okay, if you want, you can substitute that and simplify. You'll be getting the same thing.
So we have to find the value of t.
No, just note down, you can do it later.
Yes, sir.
Should I turn this? Hello?
Done, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Now note down this question. Now, if you do it with numbers, it will be easy for you. Note down this. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. Those who noted down, try. I explained all this now, just now.
Done.
Just now I explained all this, try. Shall I do?
No, sir. We will try.
You can try it. This is given. It is projected above the horizontal, is saying. You can choose any way. Now your speed will come like this. Once you learn, now go on doing mini pro, you get time taken to reach the ground. Delta y 45 minus this. Upward is positive, no? Do you agree with this? So all you'll get T. It's a quadratic, no? This is not possible, no? So discard this. Therefore, what is the time of motion? You already know that speed of do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Already we derived all this.
Yes, sir. The speed of landing is nothing but Vx square plus Vy square now, sir.
Hmm. If you do that, you'll get that only.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After completing, tell me. I'll be waiting, no? Okay, come back to this. See, sometimes what happens is, there is one platform here. Okay, there is an observer on the ground. Okay, now from the platform, a particle is projected upwards. This is velocity, this is platform, this is some ball. Okay, this is velocity of ball with respect to platform in the upward direction. Followed. Now he will give different situation. You can't say why he is giving it. He will give this. That means the platform is moving with some V. Followed. Clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
Yes, sir.
we will see velocity of ball with respect to ground is nothing but it consists of with respect to platform plus platform with respect to ground. Ball with respect to platform is like this. This is VI, no?
Yes,
Agreed.
sir. Yes, sir.
Therefore, the person on the ground observes that the ball is projected like this. For the person on ground, what is that he is seeing? He is seeing the ball to have two velocities. So obviously, This is the speed of projection, no? This is theta. Agreed? Following this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why we should know relative velocity, no? Okay, followed. So the trajectory will be what? A parabola, no? Agreed? Or not?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
So we can say that agreed.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Now, for an observer, see for this fellow, it goes up at t equals to 0, it rises because of this g, velocity becomes 0, then again it returns back or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
No,
like
the
that,
platform is moving now, sir.
whatever
So
it
how
is,
can
no,
vertically it will come, sir, but to the observer on the platform it will not come to him now, sir.
no, just understand, man. Observer is on the platform. That means you are sitting in a car along with the driver. Okay. For
Yes,
you, the
sir.
driver is at
Rest.
rest only, no?
Yes, sir. Rest only.
So for this person, the platform is moving horizontally with respect to that person. What you will have, see here, the ball has V at the time of projection. Okay, with respect to ground, I am saying this is 0. For
Yes,
the
sir.
platform, it has this. So what is the velocity of the ball with respect to the vertical upward only? No, there is no horizontal
Yes,
velocity.
sir. Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
The straight line, up and down. Agreed? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, anyhow, slowly the concepts will increase. Okay, so don't get scared. Have patience and don't be absent. This is my advice. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Till here, any doubts are there?
No doubt, sir.
Right? Be brave. Don't give up. 100% you go on in trying. Almighty will bless you. You'll become an IITian. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Right. Take care. Bye. Have a nice day.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir, today AIMS class is there now.
Yes, sir. It is there.
Okay, sir.